Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Had a great Memorial Day weekend, celebratory-wise, and remembering our veterans, family, and friends who may have participated in past service to our U.S. military. I certainly have lots of family, and I'm sure you all were thinking of yours, families, and friends as well. So, going to be a fun week. Just wanted to give you a quick upload, tell you what I'm up to. No GTO stuff this week. I was going to videotaping it, bringing it over to the house. I've made a couple clips, but don't know if I'll get that loaded or not. I'm going to load up the Corvette tomorrow and head up to Indianapolis for Midwest Drag Weeks, which is sponsored by Summit Racing. I'll have a couple clips here for you so you know what's going on for the week. And a little pirate from Cleetus McFarland's YouTube channel. I'm a Cleetus groupie like a lot of other people out there, but if we don't get to run down the drag strip, which we probably won't, maybe they have some open drags as well, but I'll get the car out and give it a little blast. And then after the Summit Drag Weeks event at Lucas Raceway Park in Indianapolis on Friday, I'm going to head up to St. Joe, Michigan for a family wedding and have a little fun with the family. But we're going to tote the Corvette and the trailer behind us and have a little fun since I got to go up that way. It's only an hour to the trip to go to St. Joe from St. Louis, so going to have a little fun. So stay tuned this week, guys. I'll try and keep some downloads going. I may do a little vlogging while I'm driving on Thursday morning and give you guys an update when I get there. Hope everybody's well. We'll see you guys soon. Hit that subscribe button so you can follow what's going on and comment as you see stuff you like or don't like at the event. And we'll see you guys soon. Like I say, no real race car Corvette update at the moment, and GTO stuff's going to get put off for a week. But stay with us. We'll have some more loaded. Midwest Drag Week, put on by Summit Racing. So they start off up in Akron, Ohio, and we are going to join in Indianapolis. They start at Summer Motorsports Park in Norwalk, which is up near Akron, Cleveland area. I'll be there on Monday, which was yesterday. And then Thursday, Track 3, Lucas Oil Raceway is in Indianapolis. And I'm going to sneak over and join them. I've got a family event in Michigan. And from St. Louis, it's only an extra hour to sneak over to Indy for the day on Thursday. So off I'm going to tootle and hopefully get to spend some time there at Midwest Drag Weeks and meet Cleetus and the gang. And then they end up Friday at Summit Motorsports Park. I believe that's the end of it. Yep. 2021 Midwest Drag Weeks concluded.
Killing it, man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Midwest Drags. What you're going to see this week is we are going to be driving from track to track in the El Camino. Our times at each track are averaged together to give us an overall time at the end of the week. So our average time at the end of the week is what puts us in position, whether we win or not. What's that?
You gotta do 2 times at every track, 2 passes.
Is it 2 passes at every track?
Yeah, you gotta do 2.
Oh, holy Toledo. We got Tom Bailey coming in with some vital information. 2 passes at each track. All your passes all week are averaged together. And then that tells you where